Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we explore the most promising cryptocurrencies in the market. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of GRT coin, also known as the graph. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab your notepads and get ready to unravel the potential of this fascinating cryptocurrency. Understanding the graph. GRT coin, the native cryptocurrency of the graph ecosystem, has gained significant attention and popularity in recent times due to its innovative approach to decentralized data querying. The graph aims to address a crucial challenge faced by developers in the blockchain space, which is the efficient retrieval and utilization of data stored on different blockchains. Traditionally, accessing data from blockchains can be a complex and resource-intensive process, requiring developers to set up their own infrastructure and run expensive queries. The graph changes this paradigm by introducing a decentralized protocol that simplifies and streamlines the data querying process. By utilizing GRT coin, developers can access data from various blockchains, including Ethereum, Polkadot, and more, without the need for heavy infrastructure development. The graph ecosystem consists of three key components: subgraphs, indexers, and curators. Subgraphs define the data schemas and mappings, providing a standardized way to organize and represent data from different blockchains. Indexers play a crucial role by staking GRT coin to index and serve the data. They ensure that the data is easily accessible and can be efficiently retrieved by applications. Curators, on the other hand, contribute to the quality and relevance of data. They signal the importance and value of specific subgraphs, helping indexers prioritize and focus on indexing the most valuable datasets. This decentralized curation mechanism ensures that the graph ecosystem maintains high-quality and reliable data for developers to utilize. The attention garnered by GRT coin is a result of its ability to address the growing demand for efficient and scalable data querying in the blockchain space. By providing a decentralized protocol, the graph opens up a world of possibilities for developers, enabling them to build decentralized applications, DApps, that can seamlessly access and utilize data from multiple blockchains. The graph's impact extends beyond just the blockchain industry. Its potential applications in decentralized finance, DeFi, decentralized identity solutions, and Web 3.0 have further fueled its popularity. GRT coin has positioned itself as a fundamental infrastructure layer, enabling transparency, trust, and innovation within the decentralized ecosystem. As more developers and projects recognize the value and efficiency of the graph ecosystem, GRT coin has experienced significant growth in terms of market capitalization and user adoption. Its recent partnerships with notable blockchain projects have further solidified its position as a key player in the blockchain industry. Looking forward, the graph aims to expand its capabilities by integrating with additional blockchains and exploring new use cases. The attention and momentum surrounding GRT coin indicate a promising future for the graph ecosystem, as it continues to revolutionize the way developers access and utilize blockchain data in a decentralized and efficient manner. The graph's primary objective is to empower developers to create decentralized applications, DApps, on multiple blockchains, such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and others. This is achieved by leveraging the capabilities of GRT coin and the underlying protocol. By utilizing GRT coin, developers gain access to the graph ecosystem, which provides a decentralized protocol for querying and retrieving data from various blockchains. This eliminates the need for developers to build extensive infrastructure from scratch to access and utilize blockchain data, saving time, effort, and resources. The graph's approach enhances the interoperability of DApps by acting as a bridge between different blockchains. Developers can seamlessly access and retrieve data from multiple blockchains using the same standardized protocols and tools provided by the graph. This interoperability unlocks a vast array of possibilities, as developers can leverage data from different blockchains to build innovative and interconnected DApps. By abstracting away the complexities of data retrieval and providing a user-friendly interface, the graph enables developers to focus on building the core functionalities of their DApps. This significantly reduces the barrier to entry for developers, fostering greater innovation and participation within the decentralized ecosystem. The Graphs Protocol and GRT coin incentivize a decentralized network of indexers to contribute their resources. Indexers stake GRT coin to index and serve data, and in return, they earn GRT rewards. This incentivization mechanism ensures the availability, reliability, and accuracy of data within the Graph ecosystem, further enhancing the value proposition for developers. The Graph and GRT coin play a vital role in enabling developers to build decentralized applications on various blockchains. By eliminating the need for heavy infrastructure development, enhancing interoperability, and providing efficient data retrieval mechanisms, the Graph empowers developers and unlocks a world of possibilities for innovation within the decentralized ecosystem. How does a graph work? Let's delve deeper into the core components of the Graph ecosystem: subgraphs, indexers, and curators. Subgraphs form the foundation of the Graph ecosystem. They are responsible for defining the data schemas and mappings that represent the structure and organization of data on various blockchains. In simple terms, subgraphs define how data from different blockchains should be structured and how it can be queried by applications. Developers can create and deploy their own subgraphs or use existing ones to access specific data sets of interest. Indexers play a crucial role in the Graph ecosystem. They are the participants who stake GRT coin to index and serve data from the subgraphs. Indexers effectively act as the infrastructure providers within the network. They run and maintain indexing nodes that retrieve data from blockchains, process it, and make it available for efficient querying by applications. By staking GRT coin, indexers have a financial incentive to perform their indexing and serving duties reliably and accurately. Curators contribute to the overall quality and relevance of data within the Graph ecosystem. They signal the importance and value of specific subgraphs to guide indexers in prioritizing which data to index and serve. Curators can be individuals, projects, or organizations that identify and highlight the most valuable datasets or subgraphs. Their signals help indexers allocate their resources effectively and ensure that the most relevant and sought-after data is readily available for developers and applications. The collaboration between subgraphs, indexers, and curators creates a decentralized and efficient data querying system within the Graph ecosystem. Subgraphs provide the data schemas and mappings, indexers retrieve, process, and serve the data, and curators signal the relevance of the data to guide the indexing process. It's important to note that the Graphs ecosystem operates through a decentralized governance model. Participants within the ecosystem, including indexers and curators, have a say in protocol upgrades, parameter adjustments, and the overall direction of the platform. This governance model ensures that the Graph ecosystem remains robust, adaptable, and responsive to the evolving needs of developers and the decentralized ecosystem as a whole. The Graph ecosystem comprises subgraphs, indexers, and curators. Subgraphs define the structure and organization of data, indexers index and serve the data, and curators signal the relevance of data sets. This collaborative approach creates an efficient and decentralized protocol for querying blockchain data, empowering developers to build decentralized applications with seamless access to data across multiple blockchains. Curators play a crucial role in the Graph ecosystem by signaling the importance and value of subgraphs, thereby guiding indexers to prioritize the indexing and serving of specific datasets. This contribution from curators significantly enhances the efficiency and overall quality of the Graph ecosystem. Curators have the expertise and knowledge to identify the most valuable datasets within the decentralized landscape. They assess the relevance, accuracy, and usefulness of various subgraphs based on factors such as the popularity of specific data, the demand from developers and applications, and the significance of the data within the broader ecosystem. By signaling the importance and value of specific subgraphs, curators effectively provide guidance to indexers on which datasets should receive priority in the indexing process. This signaling mechanism helps indexers allocate their resources efficiently, ensuring that the most sought-after and valuable data is indexed and made readily available for developers and applications. The role of curators in guiding indexers not only enhances the efficiency of the data indexing process but also contributes to the overall quality of the Graph ecosystem. By focusing on valuable datasets, curators encourage indexers to prioritize accurate and reliable data that aligns with the needs of developers and applications. This ensures that the data served by the graph is of high quality, enabling developers to build robust and trustworthy decentralized applications. The signaling process between curators and indexers establishes a collaborative and dynamic relationship within the graph ecosystem. Curators provide valuable insights and recommendations based on their domain expertise, while indexers use this information to make informed decisions about which subgraphs to prioritize. This collaboration fosters a more efficient and responsive data ecosystem, where the most relevant and valuable data is readily available to drive innovation and development within the decentralized landscape. In summary, curators contribute to the efficiency and overall quality of the graph ecosystem by signaling the importance and value of subgraphs. Their role in identifying valuable datasets guides indexers in prioritizing the indexing and serving of data, ensuring that the most sought-after and high-quality information is readily accessible for developers and applications. This collaborative process strengthens the graph ecosystem and supports the creation of robust and reliable decentralized applications. Real-world applications. One of the most exciting aspects of GRT coin is its potential for real-world applications. Let's explore a few use cases where the graph is already making a significant impact. The graph is playing a transformative role in the decentralized finance (DeFi) space by revolutionizing the availability and reliability of data. By providing accurate and up-to-date data, the graph ensures that DeFi applications have access to reliable information, thereby enhancing transparency and trust within the ecosystem. In the DeFi space, reliable and real-time data is critical for various functions, such as price feeds, liquidity provision, asset valuation, and risk assessment. However, accessing and processing this data from different blockchains can be challenging and resource-intensive for developers. This is where the graph comes in. The graph's decentralized protocol and infrastructure enable efficient indexing and querying of blockchain data, making it easier for DeFi applications to retrieve the information they need. By leveraging the capabilities of the graph, developers can access accurate and up-to-date data without the need for heavy infrastructure development or relying on centralized data providers. By ensuring that DeFi applications have reliable information at their disposal, the graph enhances transparency within the ecosystem. Users can confidently engage with DeFi applications, knowing that the data they interact with is accurate and trustworthy. This transparency helps build trust among users, mitigates the risks of manipulation or misinformation, and fosters a more robust and secure DeFi ecosystem. The graph's decentralized nature aligns well with the ethos of DeFi, which aims to remove intermediaries and promote financial inclusivity. By providing a decentralized data querying infrastructure, the graph enables DeFi applications to operate in a trustless and permissionless manner, aligning with the core principles of decentralization. The graph's impact on the DeFi space goes beyond data availability. It also contributes to the overall efficiency and scalability of DeFi applications. By simplifying the process of accessing and retrieving data, the graph enables developers to focus on building innovative and efficient DeFi protocols and products. This, in turn, drives the growth and adoption of DeFi by providing a solid foundation for developers to build upon. The graph's provision of accurate and up-to-date data in the DeFi space enhances transparency and trust within the ecosystem. By simplifying the data retrieval process and ensuring the reliability of information, the graph empowers DeFi applications to operate in a more transparent and efficient manner. This contributes to the growth and development of DeFi by fostering trust among users and enabling the creation of innovative financial protocols. The graph's decentralized architecture and data querying capabilities have significant applications in decentralized identity solutions. As the need for secure and privacy-focused identity verification grows, the graph's infrastructure provides an efficient means for managing user data across multiple platforms, promoting privacy and control over personal information. Traditional identity verification systems often rely on centralized databases and third-party intermediaries, which can present security risks and undermine user privacy. In contrast, the graph's decentralized protocol enables the secure and private management of user data by leveraging blockchain technology. With the graph, decentralized identity solutions can be built on a foundation of user-controlled data. By utilizing subgraphs and indexing infrastructure, developers can design identity systems that allow users to have ownership and control over their personal information. Users can selectively share their data as needed, without relying on a centralized authority to store or manage their identities. The decentralized nature of the graph ensures that user data is distributed across the network, making it more resilient against single points of failure or unauthorized access. The data remains under the user's control, and they can determine how and when their information is utilized, enhancing privacy and security. The graph's data querying capabilities enable efficient access and retrieval of identity-related information across various platforms. Developers can utilize the graph to index and serve identity data from different blockchains or sources, facilitating seamless integration and interoperability among decentralized identity systems. By leveraging the graph for decentralized identity solutions, individuals can have greater control over their digital identities, ensuring that their personal information is used only with their consent. This promotes privacy, mitigates the risks of data breaches, and empowers individuals to manage their identities in a secure and self-sovereign manner. The graph's decentralized architecture and data querying capabilities have significant applications in decentralized identity solutions. By providing a secure and privacy-focused infrastructure, the graph enables efficient management of user data across platforms, empowering individuals with control over their personal information. This promotes privacy, enhances security, and fosters the development of decentralized identity systems that align with the principles of self-sovereignty and user empowerment. Recent developments and future outlook. The graph has experienced remarkable growth and has established itself as a vital infrastructure layer for the decentralized ecosystem. Since its inception, the graph has witnessed a steady increase in its market capitalization and user adoption, solidifying its position as a key player in the blockchain industry. One of the contributing factors to the graph's growth is its strategic partnerships with prominent blockchain projects. The graph has forged alliances with leading platforms such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and other major blockchains. These partnerships demonstrate the recognition and support the graph has garnered from established players in the industry. Collaborations with such projects provide the graph with access to a wide range of blockchain networks, expanding its reach and utility within the decentralized ecosystem. The partnerships also highlight the importance of the graph's indexing and querying capabilities in enabling efficient data access and retrieval for these blockchain projects. By integrating with the graph, these platforms can enhance their functionality and provide developers with a powerful toolset to build decentralized applications. The graph's partnerships extend beyond blockchain projects. The graph has also collaborated with renowned companies and organizations in the technology and investment sectors. These partnerships help drive adoption, attract investment, and foster innovation within the graph ecosystem. They also provide additional credibility and exposure to the graph, further solidifying its position as a critical infrastructure layer in the decentralized ecosystem. Looking ahead, the future outlook for GRT coin and the graph ecosystem appears promising. The growing demand for decentralized applications, the increasing interest in decentralized finance, and the need for efficient data management in Web 3.0 create a favorable environment for the graph's continued growth and adoption. As more developers recognize the benefits of the graph's indexing and querying capabilities, we can expect an expansion of the graph ecosystem with an influx of new subgraphs, indexers, and curators. This will contribute to a more diverse and robust ecosystem, providing developers with a wide range of data sources and options to build innovative decentralized applications. Additionally, ongoing protocol upgrades and improvements, driven by the decentralized governance model of the graph, will enhance the scalability, efficiency, and security of the platform. In conclusion, the graph's remarkable growth, market capitalization, and strategic partnerships with prominent blockchain projects solidify its position as a vital infrastructure layer for the decentralized ecosystem. With the increasing demand for decentralized applications and the evolution of Web 3.0, the future outlook for GRT coin and the graph ecosystem appears promising, paving the way for further expansion and innovation within the decentralized landscape. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.